Hi, thanks for joining. So, very first question is, what are the roles and responsibilities of a BA?
And a stakeholder and a development team. So their work is to uh, take all the take all the requirement. uh, After that, make a acceptance criteria, create a acceptance criteria, and after that take stand up, be a part of stand up meeting, and stand up meeting after if there is any obstacle. So he need for from development team, if they are not able to work on that, so he needs to they needs to pass this to product owner or scrum guy, and and after that they need to remove that obstacle. So these are the some roles of business analyst.
Okay, so the next question is, what are the techniques used for gathering requirements or during a elucidation session?
The techniques of requirement gathering is uh, once business analyst enter in the project, he receives a document from project owner. uh, After reading it carefully, he need to do a brainstorming, or they needs to connect to the stakeholders at business analyst and take some interviews. If it works, then okay, otherwise you need some questionnaire surveys, and some meetings like focus group meetings. So these are the some techniques which they use to uh, get the answer.
What is the difference between each and every technique? Can you explain every technique
Okay,
in detail?
what's the
For
difference?
example,
What's
focus
the difference? These
groups
techniques.
and
Can you
surveys
explain
and
every
workshops. What's the difference?
technique in detail?
uh, Survey is something like it's a like questions like one liner questions, they that's predefined questions. It's need to for large number of people, and analyst need to give these questions, that and it's a form of survey, that whether it's yes or no. So to collect the answer, this is one. And focus group is uh, uh, it's it's like arrange people in a meeting room, and and ask like ask the questions, and come get the answer by meetings. Brainstorming is something like asking uh, uh, like deep driving the questions from some number of people. So this is the answer, ma'am. I don't know it properly actually.
Have you created any type of documents?
It's first is BRD, business requirement document, and second is FSD, functional specific functional specific document, and after that uh, these are the two main documents. After that, third uh, I requirement I just I break it into like small user stories, like in you are talking about Jira tool, how I convert it into that.
Yeah, so in JIRA, right? You convert
Yeah,
into how
yes,
did
in Epic I just click on Epic. In that there's uh, like if I can I give you an example.
yes.
Yeah, like if I need to create a 100 a hospital of 100 beds. Okay, so this is the epic create a hospital of 100 bed, and the user story would be that 10 beds, first 10 beds, this is the user story, create a 10 bed, and after that again create a 10 bed, like that. I need to write the user story.
Okay. So what is acceptance?
In that hospital itself, that I need to add like for this first 10 beds I need to I need a proper room, lighting, and fan. This comes as a acceptance criteria.
So can you tell me what's the difference between waterfall and agile methodology?
Yeah, agile is a, a waterfall is something like first we in waterfall, we just only do we plan the project, design the project, and we develop the project, and there is no chance uh, to rectify or to give us you know, we need to just plan, design, and develop it. There is no chance of rectification or anything in waterfall. But in agile we need to break it into sprints, like first we plan, then design, then we develop, we show it to stakeholder, again we start plan, design, and develop, and show it to stakeholder. But in waterfall we do not have chances of rectification. Whatever we need to plan, design, and we need to develop it, and after that in last we need to complete it 100% and show it to stakeholder, but we cannot rectify it. So this is the basic difference.
Okay.
It's usually 2 weeks sprint is 2 to 3 weeks sprint. It's a scrum master, usually known as a servant leader. uh, they are the bridge between a product owner and rest of the developing team, and uh, and just he needs to see, they need to see that whether things are on a way. If there is any issue, any challenge team is facing, uh, Scrum Master needs to jump in that and check whether what can they do for that, or how can they resolve that issue. So basically, he is a servant leader. Sprint planning meeting, in that they in that sprint planning meeting just decided how much percentage work has been done, what are what needs to like what they are doing as a team, whether someone is lacking, or how much like what they have done day before yesterday, or yesterday. So that is that happen in a sprint planning meeting.
No, no, that is story point.
It's a story point is like for a single works, a single work, how much like how much time it will take for a single user story is known as story points. Like it is in a Fibonacci series, like 1 3 8 5 8 13. These are some story points. It's decided like how much work has been done, like two story points. It's 16 is two story points, like 8 and 8. Ma'am, what's the difference between
Story and a task.
story and task?
Yeah.
uh, Story and task, ma'am, I didn't remember this, sorry.
No worries.
Yeah, in scope and out of scope I know. In scope is something which like uh, if I need to uh, design a mobile. Okay, so in mobile I can give a features like uh, like sound, light, like buttons. These are some in scope, and out of scope is something which I can't give the which feature I cannot add. So like whatever feature I can add, that can in scope for a project, and what the feature I cannot add is out of scope for the project.
Functional and non-functional requirement.
Functional is like a non-functional is uh, usability, scalability, are like id and password is non-functional. Functional is like if I am designing a car. In car, gate, steering, these are functional. Seats, these are functional, and non-functional is like s- uh, 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 non-functional is something like car outlook, how it looks like interior designing, these are non-functional. If they are having questions, I will sorry, I can't answer this, I don't know.
Okay, so actually, what?
No, I haven't done any kind of testing, ma'am. I'm not from that background.
Okay, do you know what is
User acceptance testing, this yeah, I know something. I have like it's a before giving a product demo,